Howdy everybody and welcome back to the channel. There's another quick one. You ever pull up a project and it shows the images and then you'll have nice tidy things so you can see what they look like, they're all organized. Then you have some oddball thing that is out in space or just rotated the wrong direction and you thought to yourself, well, wait a minute, I put it where it's supposed to and I hit save and it should be like the rest of these, so I don't understand. So I'll show you how to fix this. Some people think this is being way too picky, but I just like to have everything organized. If you open up the part itself, and it's a quick fix, let's go ahead and just hit the home, bring it up here. See, it's stuck out. Do this. Put it in the direction of what you want it to look like on the screen. All you have to do is go up to your cube, right-click on the cube, go down to Set, and put Fixed Distance. Now hit Save. And go ahead and close this and you'll see it fixed that. Let's do the other one while we're here too. It's in an odd position. Let's say I'm just using a space mouse. Get it in the orientation you want and the size, and then same thing. Go here, fix distance, hit save, and voila, you have everything looking tidy and it makes sense and it's not way off into space. Hope this little tip helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.